children. Good morning. How are you children? Hope you are fine and healthy at home. Right? Yes. Children, today we are going to see English class and we are going to see pattern writing. So far we had oral class no children, and this time we are going to start writing. Okay? We can enjoy our writing and we are going to see patterns today. And let us see what are the patterns you learned last year. See. Now see here children. Can you name what is this? Standing line. Yes. Sleeping line. This one. Left side slanting line. Right side slanting line, left side curve, right side curve. Yes? Now, upside curve, downside curve, and this is circle. Now, I'll show you with scale. Now, see children, see the scale, in which position it is? Yes, in which position it is? It is in standing line. It is in vertical position and we can say it as standing line. And can you draw this standing line in air? Yes, take your index finger and draw children from up to down. Yes, standing line. Okay, next. Now see here, in which position the scale is? Yes. The scale is in sleeping position. Yes, sleeping. Yes, draw with anti. Okay, take your index finger and you can draw in air. Sleeping line. Okay, next. Now see which position it is. Now is it in standing line? Is it in standing line? No, this is in slanting line. In which position it is? Slanting line. Yes, slanting line. Okay, now I will show another one. Now, see here. See this? Can you say which position it is? What is the pattern? Yes, this is left side curve. Say children, left side curve. Now I am going to turn the position. Yes. Now in which pattern it is? Right side curve. Which one? Right side curve. Okay. Now see, it's going upward. And this curve, what we can call it as? Upward curve. Up curve. Okay. Now I am going to turn down. Yes. Now, can you say which position it is? It is downward. Yes, down curve. Say children, down curve. Now one more. Yes. See here. See this? Yes, this empty part. What is this? It is a circle. What children? Circle. Now children, let us try in our 4-line note. Yes, please take your 4-line note and one pencil. Okay, we can start drawing patterns. Okay children. Now, are you ready? Are you ready to draw with me? Shall we start writing patterns? Yes, take your pencil and 4-line note. Now see here children, see this 4-line. Yes, first one red line, second one blue line, third one blue line, fourth one red line. With this 4-line only, inside this we are going to write. Okay, shall we start writing? Yes, take your pencil and write along with auntie. Try. Yes, now first we are going to write standing line from the red line to the second blue line. Okay, shall we start? Yes, from the red line to the second blue line, Draw standing line. Tell children which pattern it is? Standing line from up to second blue line. Yes, standing line. Shall we draw one more time? Yes, standing line. Please tell the pattern and write. Okay, standing line. Okay, we have drawn standing line. Next which one? Yes, standing line. Next which one, children? Sleeping line. Yes, we can draw sleeping line in the second. First one red line, second one blue line, third one blue line, fourth one red line. We can draw sleeping line in the first blue line. Okay, which pattern, children? Sleeping line. Yes. Now see, sleeping line, when you go to bed, which position you will sleep? Yeah, you will sleeping in the bed, no? Which position it is? Yes, that is sleeping line. Yes. Yes, you can start from here. Put one sleeping line. Draw children on the blue line. Okay, sleeping line. Shall we draw one more time? Sleeping line. Okay. Okay, next we can go for slanting line. And which side it is? It is left side slanting line. Yes. Keep your pencil in the red line and bring your pencil to the second blue line. Okay. Now, red line to the second blue line. Slanting. Okay. Slanting line. Red line to the second blue line. Which pattern it is? Left side slanting line. Yes? Left side slanting line. Yes. Once again, left side slanting line. Left side slanting line. Okay. Next which one? Right side slanting line. From the red line to the second blue line. Okay. Okay, right along with auntie. Okay, from the red line to the second blue line. Right side slanting line. Tell children. Right side slanting line. Once again, right side slanting line. Okay, now we can come for curve. Curve. Yes, left side curve. Can draw first left side curve. Now see how to draw left side curve. From the red line, you have to come to the second blue line. Okay. Left side curve. Tell and write. Left side curve. Once again, left side curve. Okay, next one. Right side curve. The same. From the red line to the second blue line. Yes. Right side curve. Right side curve. Right side curve. Okay. Next which pattern, children? What is this? Up curve. What is this? Up curve. Yes. From the red line to the second blue line, again go up. Yes. Start from the red line. Yes. Come down. Again go up and touch the red line. Up curve. Yes. Yes. From the red line to the second blue line. Again go up. Up curve. Okay. Next one. Which one? What is this? Down curve. It is facing downwards. Yes. Now see how to write down curve. From the red line. No. You have to. Now you should not start from the red line. You have to start from the second blue line. Okay. From the second blue line, you have to go up. Again, you have to come down to the same blue line. Okay. Now from the second blue line, go up, touch the red line. Again, come back. What is this? Down curve. Okay. From the red line, from the blue line, go up, again come back. What is this? Down curve. Okay, now shall we see circle, how to write? Now see how to write circle. From the red line to the second blue line, again go up. Yes, from the red line to the second blue line, again go up. Circle. Tell children. Circle. Circle. Okay, have you done children? What are the patterns we saw today? Standing line. Yes, repeat. Standing line. Which is this? Which one is this? Sleeping line. Once again. Sleeping line. Left side slanting line. Which one it is? Left side slanting line. Right side slanting line. Left curve. Right curve. Up curve. Down curve. Circle. Circle. Children, to know a language, to read or write a language, what we need? We should know letters, isn't it? Okay, to write a letter, what we need children? We should know patterns. And here we saw patterns. Right? You practiced now children? Yes. Now you know the patterns. In the next session, we can go for alphabet writing. Okay? Yes, we can meet in the next session. Thank you.